Hello! Now the eagle-eyed amongst you will realise that the workshop has grown in size. It's got better lighting and it's made out of bricks and steel, not wood. It also has heating and running water. So yes, I've moved workshop again, which is why I've been so vacant. So yes, there it is. Much nicer. There's the Saab. Something will be happening to the Saab again soon. This video though, this is a Triumph Vitesse. You might have seen it in the background of a few of the other videos. And this is sort of like a side project which I'm intending to sell after it's done. Bought it off a mate, and it's a Mk2 Vitesse, and we're going to do a bit of work to it. Now I know it is rotten. Today we're going to just investigate it, see what it needs. But it has only done 41,000 miles or so, and the interior is lovely. Drives nice as well. Obviously you can see the workshop floor through the floor of the car, which is standard. No, seats and trim are lovely, and that's where it ends. No, the engine's good too. All the mechanicals are nice. But no, it's all there. So we're going to pop it on the ramp now and see what we need to do mechanically. Not mechanically, rot-wise. And there she is. And we've got a nice new ramp as well, because the old one was lethal. So yeah, let's pop it up in the air and see what it needs. Well, actually, show the engine first. Give you a proper tour. So we have a 2 litre straight 6, fed by 2 Stromberg carburetors. It's had a fair bit done mechanically just to sort of get it working. So we've got new clutch and brake master cylinders, new radiator, and a battery, and that's about it. Still need, and an alternator now because the dynamo is rubbish. So yeah, no, she's good. We might even start. Hasn't been started for a while, but I'll have a go. And pump up the fuel. Hands tired. No fuel in it now. It was very low, so we won't try and start up because there's no fuel. Never mind. Imagine it sounds lovely. Anyway, ramp. Right, so I actually managed to get some fuel through it. So I'm not going to open the door yet to let the fumes out because we don't know if it'll start. I don't want to let the cold out. Cold out? Heat in. What? Heat out. That's the one. Right. Everybody loves a start-up video. The battery might be absolutely flat as a farm. Oh, get my foot in so I can do the... There she goes. Let's open the door. Come on, missus. The engine's absolutely gorgeous. Also, the three things in here that it has, it all works. So we've got, well, we did have windscreen washers. Ooh. No, we've got wipers though. We have heater, lights, indicators. What more do you want? All the gauges work. Well, apart from the fuel gauge, because I know for a fact there is almost zero fuel in it, and it's saying there is some in it, but it's probably the sender's stuck. But small potatoes. That's actually got 44,000. Oops. But no, the interior is gorgeous. Oh, that's the little tip for the gear knob. Oh, I see. Ooh, a tax list, 82. Could be the last time it was taxed. It wouldn't surprise me. Nice. It's idling really nice now. It's sort of got a bit of heat into it. So here we go. Right. Now I do know a lot of the ROS issues on this, but I haven't looked at it on a ramp in decent light yet. So we'll look at the chassis first. Yeah, those bits have gone, as we can see. It shouldn't be too difficult. This, of course, the Triumph Vitesse is a good old-fashioned body-on-frame job, unlike the Saab. So this should be a bit simpler to just do in the meantime as a bit of a quickie job. Well, I say quickie. Now, let's have a look. That actually looks alright. That's alright. Obviously the floor's gone. I don't know what that is. It's been of the floor on the floor. Might have been bodged in the past. That's okay. It's all very sort of, I won't really fully know until it's been needle gunned. Oh, that's a bit of a... That's right, okay, let's get a pokey screwdriver. Ooh, okay. A bit of mud in there. Oh, fuel line's in there as well, so best not poke too hard. Right, so new outrigger on that side by the look of it. And then again, no, I reckon just patch it up. Well, not patch it up, you know, cut it out and redo it. And at least I can drain all the mud out. Might be where it's had a bit of fuel leak in there in the past. And of course, it's just knackered it. Yeah, okay. Engine's very oily, as we expect. But the oil is good because that means it protects a few things. Sticker there. Oh, yes. This side isn't so good, is it? Yeah. God, it's just full of mud. Absolutely jammed. Bloody hell. Yeah, new outrigger that side. You know, with the what the ramp's supporting it on at the moment. That's nice, isn't it? That's actually cracked. Can you see there? Yeah, a bit of a crack. Yeah, this side is less rosy. No, that's gone. That's gone. Oh yeah, that is absolutely hanging. Yeah, all in there. But I would say it's not as bad as the Saab. Well, it's worse, it's got more rot, but it's easily repairable. You can get all the chassis rails for this. That is gone. Yeah, the body needs desperate repair. That seam, yeah, that seam's gone. It's just absolutely caked with mud. That's the worst thing, is it hasn't been cleaned off for most of its life. So awful, cool. The mud's just sat in the seams and in the chassis legs, and it's just rotted out. Oh, that'd be where the patch of oil's coming from the diff seal. Oh yes, that chassis leg's gone there. That's my foot, I'm not farting. Oh bloody hell, yeah. So, boot floor. That's a towing eye. Don't think it's going to do much. Yep. So I believe that's been repaired, albeit some less than attractive welding. So we can conclude that the driver's side, because this is right-hand drive, because I'm in the UK, it's definitely worse than the passenger side. Yeah, whole new boot. Crikey. Oh yeah, the whole... Oh, that's a body mount as well. Bloody hell. Looks like the whole thing's just rotted and collapsed. Oh yeah, that is bad, isn't it? So okay, boot floor, chassis rail, and a set of body mounts, I reckon. Let's have a look in the boot. Yeah, it needs a new boot lid by the look of it. Let's not actually... Oh. 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 Is it strong enough to support itself? Ooh. Just. Right. So I think once the fuel tank's out, we'll know a lot more. Yeah, obviously, that's gone. the old dynamo. A load of old bits in there. Now this is fun, this soundproofing they use, it's just sort of, it's like bags filled with cotton, and that is original Triumph. Let's get a torch. It doesn't look as bad from the inside. It's still not great. Ooh, yes, I can see some holes in the wheel arch over there. That's a siren. It's not going to come out easily, is it? Can't really see that side because the fuel tank's in the way. But yeah, it's definitely not happy. So after a bit of reflection, I'm just tempted to sell it, actually, because it needs a lot of work and I want to try and put more time into old Saab Jones over there. And plus we've got customers' cars to do as well. Yes. I don't know, I'm umming and ahhing. If I can get my money back, I might just sell it on. Heater clunked. But yeah, I don't know. I think it just might need more work than I thought it did. It's a nice thing to have. Ponder on that.